Hello, you might be heard about many central nervous system disorders. Today we'll be talking about Parkinson's disease from me, Dr. Samira from Namma Homeopathy. Parkinson's disease, it's a neurodegenerative disorder of central nervous system which mainly affects motor system. It is mainly because of the lack of dopamine levels in the body. It's mostly seen in old age people, and it might also affect people who use various harmful medicines which reduce the levels of dopamine in your body. So the causes is dopamine. Because of the lack of dopamine in your body, the person will not be able to perform his voluntary actions. This Parkinson's patient will experience symptoms like tremors, rigidity, stiffness, stoop posture, that means they'll be bending and walking, slowness of the movements will be there, and they'll have loss of expression in the face, loss of smell, they won't be experiencing any smell. So they'll also have mood disorders like anxiety, they'll be into depression, dementia will be there in later stages, loss of sleep will be there, and they'll be mentally disturbed. In Parkinson's disease, the investigations include MRI, where there is atrophy of the brain, and dopamine transmitter imaging, in which the dopamine levels will be low in the imaging, and also PET scan. So if any of you or your relatives are suffering from Parkinson's disease, there is no need to lose hope. Here in Namma Homeopathy, we provide you with the immunogenetic miasmatic 6th generation treatment, where we go to the root cause of the disease and treat the patient. You just have to visit your nearby Namma Homeopathy clinic and get treated there. You will find the results very nicely.